Welcome to another episode of Ask Plexus DX. Today, we're diving into a really interesting topic. What does the MTHFR test actually do, and why is it important for your health? So let's get right into it. The MTHFR test looks at specific mutations in the MTHFR gene, which plays a crucial role in how your body processes amino acids. This gene helps convert homocysteine into methionine, and that's super important for a bunch of functions in your body. When you understand your MTHFR status, it can really help you make better health decisions. Now, the test specifically checks for two mutations, C677T and A1298C. These mutations can affect how your body handles folate and homocysteine, which are vital for things like DNA synthesis, neurotransmitter production, and even cardiovascular health. If you have certain mutations, you might find that your homocysteine levels are higher, which can be linked to a greater risk of health issues like cardiovascular diseases, neurological disorders, and even complications during pregnancy. But here's the thing. Just because you have an MTHFR mutation doesn't mean you're destined for health problems. It's more about understanding your potential risk factors. If you have a family history of heart disease or neurological issues, knowing your MTHFR status can help you and your healthcare provider take preventative steps. So why should you consider getting this test? Well, if you or your family have experienced heart-related diseases, if you're struggling with unexplained health issues, or if you're planning a pregnancy, this test could be really beneficial. It can also help if you're dealing with persistent fatigue or mood changes, which might indicate that your body isn't getting enough folate. Once you get your MTHFR test results, it's time to take action. First, consult with a healthcare provider who can guide you through your results and help create a personalized health plan. Then, focus on nutrition. Think leafy greens, legumes, asparagus, and avocados. You might also need to consider supplementation, especially with methylated folate, since synthetic folic acid can be tricky for those with MTHFR mutations. And don't forget to monitor your health regularly. Keeping an eye on your homocysteine levels and staying informed about new research can empower you to make the best health choices. Now, if you're interested in exploring your genetic health further, I highly recommend checking out the innovative Precision Health and Wellness genetic tests available from Plexus DX. They offer specialized tests covering everything from nutrition and methylation to hormones and overall health risk management. You can find these tests at plexusdx.com, Amazon, and walmart.com. Thanks for tuning in to Ask Plexus DX. If you found this episode insightful, please like and subscribe. Remember, links to Plexus DX tests are provided below in the show notes. The following is an important disclaimer. Plexus DX is a personalized health report and laboratory testing service, which enables users to obtain science-based, evidence-backed health and wellness information based on their genome. Always consult a licensed healthcare provider for concerns about your health and before you stop or start any medical treatment.